A speed storm is getting closer than ever. Trami, a name that sowed terror when it swept through the Philippines, is now even stronger as it leaves the mainland and heads straight for the South China Sea. Filipinos in neighboring areas are fearful of what is to come. The storm was not just an ordinary hurricane, it was kind of destructive. And now it's getting stronger and stronger. You can hear it, feel its fear. T-me is coming. When Trami made landfall in the Philippines, the strong gusts of wind and torrential rains destroyed thousands of new homes. Coastal fishing villages were swept away. The fields were flooded in the blink of an eye. But this is just the beginning of the real rage. According to forecasts from meteorologists, when Trami enters the South China Sea, it will continue to accumulate energy, become a super typhoon, ready to wreak havoc on everything in its path. At sea, waves up to 10 meters high are forming, signaling an unstoppable rage. Currently, the wind in Trami has exceeded the speed of 220 kilometers per h and is still increasing. This storm is not simply getting stronger, it is transforming itself into a monster, a patterned rug that is ready wherever it passes. People on the island and the coast of Southeast Asia are rushing to prepare for the worst monetary conditions. Major coastal cities, from Vietnam to China, are fearful of the terrible devastation that Trami could cause. Many people have started to get scared, but who would have thought that this storm would be so strong? The streets became desolate, where every beat was now only quiet before the coming thunderstorm. However, everything is still only expected. T-me can stop changing direction or currency more, it can add unimaginable power. An entire land, millions of people, are in danger zone, only hoping that they can overcome this wrath. In the midst of a gloomy sky, where swirling black clouds come, coastal people are racing against time. The sound of wooden doors closed repeatedly, wooden planks piled up, shielding the windows as a last resort to protect the house from the approaching wrath. The small families of the smell of autumn are precious and fragrant. Each bag of fragrance, once the perfume, can be steamed into the car, an anxiety that cannot be hidden. Children cry in fear, while adults wipe away tears, focusing on saving lives. Cars loaded with belongings ran away across the roads that were now empty, as if the whole land was abandoned by the uproar of nature. No one knew for sure what was going to happen, but they all sensed something terrible was about to enter. The storm was coming, and every passing minute was more precious than ever. Typhoon Trami is still moving, getting stronger and stronger as it enters the South China Sea. Whirlwinds, strong waves, and dark skies are signs of imminent danger. Will we prove a terrible disaster, or is there a miracle to help it weaken? It all depends on the unpredictable power of nature. If you find the story of Trami scary, click like and share this video to warn people about the approaching danger. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with the latest forums, and leave a comment below about your thoughts. Can we deal with this storm?